Welcome to the first episode of our video series on marketing research. Today, we will dive into the basics and discuss what marketing research is, why it's essential, and the different types of marketing research available. Let's get started. So, what is marketing research? Well, marketing research is the systematic process of collecting, analyzing, and interpreting data to help organizations make informed decisions about their marketing strategies. Now, this information helps businesses identify opportunities, uncover potential problems, and monitor their performance. Why is marketing research important? Well, in today's rapidly changing business environment, having accurate and up-to-date information is crucial for making informed decisions. Marketing research allows companies to understand consumer needs and preferences, identify and target the right market segments, develop and improve products and services, optimize pricing, promotion, and distribution strategies, track the effectiveness of marketing campaigns, gain insights into competitors and industry trends. Marketing research plays a critical role in a company's overall strategy. It provides valuable insights that can help businesses identify new market opportunities and areas of growth, improve customer satisfaction and loyalty, enhance brand image and reputation, increase market share and profitability, mitigate risks, and make better informed decisions. Now, ultimately, marketing research helps businesses stay competitive and navigate the complex and ever-evolving marketplace. There are several types of marketing research, each serving a specific purpose. Some of the most common types include exploratory research. Now, this type of research aims to explore new ideas, generate hypotheses, and gain a better understanding of a problem or situation. It typically involves qualitative techniques such as focus groups, in-depth interviews, and observation. On the other hand, descriptive research aims to describe the characteristics of a market, customer group, or phenomena. It often involves large-scale surveys which can provide detailed and quantitative information on consumer preferences, attitudes, and behaviors. Also known as experimental research, causal research seeks to identify cause and effect relationships between variables. This type of research typically involves manipulating one variable, for example, price, and observing the impact on another variable such as sales. Now, predictive research focuses on forecasting future outcomes or trends based on historical data and advanced statistical techniques. This type of research can help businesses anticipate changes in consumer behavior, market conditions, and competitive landscapes. That wraps up our introduction to marketing research. Now, you have a better understanding of what marketing research is, its importance, and the various types available. In the next episode, we'll delve deeper into the marketing research process and discuss the steps involved in conducting marketing research. Stay tuned, and thanks for joining us today.